challenge.
Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do your ammo box challenges. So you're going to want to start in Snobby because there's never really a lot of people that land here, you know. So you're going to get this one from under here. You're going to get that one. Just check for more. You're gonna come over here. You're gonna get this ammo box.
Oh shoot!
So there's 4 in here. More than half of your challenge is already done. There might be some up here. I don't remember. Probably is. Yep, there's one right in the kitchen. And then you should go into the next house. There may be some in the shed. Thing in the backyard of the swimming pool one. I do not see one. Alright, so go to the modern house. And forget what these things are. Should look around. I didn't see any in there. So let's move over to this house. There's one right here. You're at 6. And you just gotta check this house. And then here's your 7th one. And you are done this challenge. I hope you guys are successful with this. Like, subscribe please, and good luck with your challenges. Goodbye.